Stigma of being called a criminal, because I wasn't a criminal. Sorry.
It's more than having a clean record. It's offering survivors a clean start.
It's not just the concrete piece, it's also the emotional piece, right? It's knowing that every single time somebody runs your background, they're gonna look at you and judge you all over again, or that I'm gonna have those memories all over again. Or maybe I am so embarrassed about what's on my record that I won't even go and try to get a job where I know I need a background check, and that limits me now.
So why doesn't every state vacate these convictions? Amaya speaks across the country about the need for vacatur laws. D.C. Council member Charles Allen introduced a bill before the summer break. He's hopeful.
I think there's actually a lot of support in the council. I think this matches our values here in D.C., and I think that we're going to be able to pass this later this year.
In Virginia, where Amaya is from, there's no new vacatur legislation being introduced. Even in Maryland, there's a catch. They can only vacate prostitution convictions, not convictions for related crimes like assault or drugs. And Emerson says often these go hand in hand.
If we say that we want to give a voice to survivors, then listen to the survivors' voices and pass changes to this law that will allow advocates like myself to help these individuals move on with their lives so that they can become productive members of the state of Maryland.
Few people journey to hell and live to tell about it. I believe I was spared, because I had a purpose to fulfill. I also believe that everyone, no matter the trauma and horror they have experienced in life, can be transformed and begin to live their own true destinies.
Deborah Alfarone, WUSA 9.
Councilmember Charles Allen says D.C. hopes to pass vacatur legislation by the end of the year, and it would apply to prostitution charges and related issues. In Maryland, Emerson says session after session, no one is willing to open up the types of convictions that can be vacated. And in Virginia, no one's introducing any legislation that will help sex trafficking victims vacate any convictions there.
All right, yellow weather alert tomorrow. It's going to be a little damp, especially in the morning at the bus stop. Cool, drizzle, showers, temps in the 60s. Passing shower, 73 at recess, and kids heading home. At least it'll be milder in the 70s, but we still have some showers in the forecast. Okay, I mentioned this on Friday, and this is worth repeating. So since mid-July, remember the first half of July, it didn't rain at all. 9 inches in that second half of July. 5 inches in August, 8 inches so far, almost 8.5 inches so far in September. So in those 2.5 months, we've had 23 inches of rain. That's over half our annual average, and it's double the average of that same time period. That's crazy. We're going to add to it tomorrow and maybe even add to it on Wednesday. Not a lot. Here's the rainfall projections next 48 hours. You know, about 1/3 of an inch RPM, 6/10, maybe an inch being the top end, and 4200ths for the European model. So more of a nuisance thing, especially tomorrow, as we have some showers and some drizzle early on. So yellow weather alert tomorrow and Wednesday, but here's the deal. Different reasons. So showers and drizzle on Tuesday, so wet roads, showers at the bus stop, not a lot of fun. A little bit of sun on Wednesday, but yellow weather alert for storms, and some of those could be hefty. So we showed you the threats earlier. These are the impacts for our yellow weather alert. Flooding low, wet commutes, that's high. Down trees is low. Hiking and biking, that's high because it's going to be hard to find a window to get out and bike or take a walk or a run. So 6 o'clock Tuesday morning. We have some showers, temperatures in the 60s. Notice everything's light. It's all shades of green, so not a huge deal. By 9 o'clock, 72 downtown, a little shade of yellow out to the west of Leesburg, maybe a little heavier shower. So if you're coming south on 270 tomorrow or down 7 or in 66, you're going to probably have wetter roads. Have a little better chance of dry roads if you're coming up 5 or 301 from southern Maryland. By 6 p.m., a little bit of a break. Temperatures in the upper 70s, so a little milder tomorrow. And then by this time tomorrow night, even some breaks in the clouds, which means a little bit of sunshine on Wednesday, and that will be nice. In the meantime, yellow weather alert tomorrow, showers and drizzle, 78. More showers on Wednesday and storms, 84, warmer and some sun. And then showers and storms south on Thursday, 70. We'll hold off on a yellow weather alert for that. So Friday, great. Saturday, great, 80 sunshine, low 80s on Saturday.